Tomas and I are in the kitchen at Second Harvest, and we're joined by Laurent Zarate, the owner and chef of Fleur de Sel Restaurant and Creperie. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Christy.
And we get to taste test some recipes that have been sent in by viewers of Washington Grown, and we love seeing your recipes. And today we get to talk about fresh peaches, which a summertime favorite for so many people here in Washington.
Especially us, yeah, we love them.
Yeah,
I love
bite
peach.
into one and it's super juicy.
The smell of a fresh
smell.
peach.
And if you've never gone to an orchard and had the opportunity to pick one right off the tree and try it, you owe it to yourself to do so.
And I like you had good technique there.
Yeah, exactly.
To me, it's the smell of summer. It's when they are ripe, you get that smell. You can make great thing with it.
And you know, for fresh, it's like the summertime thing, and once the season is over, it's hard to find.
And fresh, you know, you don't have to. That's what we're trying to do here at Second Harvest. Also, is to teach people how to cook fresh produce. They received a lot of fresh produce at Second Harvest, and we're trying to show them that making food it's easy.
Yeah.
You know, if
not to be
you
afraid.
not to be afraid, exactly. Put your hands in and then
To let the mistakes happen, because that's how you learn.
exactly. Yeah, and also, you know, when you cook with your heart. You cook, and the food will taste always better when you cook yourself.
I love it, and that's what you do. Is you help,
Thank you.
you teach some
Yes,
of these
yeah,
classes, right? And
Yeah, at Second Harvest.
Yeah.
And
I bet
I
they love
it.
you.
I
bet they
love
have
them.
a lot of
I love
fun.
them more than that. You know, so and we did this summer. We did actually a peach. We had some peach here donated by the growers. Yep, of Washington, and we did a peach cobbler. But I'm excited about this recipe.
Yeah, so this is Easy Peach Cobbler by our viewer Marylou, and she says that her family has a tradition of going to an orchard in Royal City and picking a bunch of fresh peaches, and so this is easy. It involves, like, you know, the crusties, pancake mix, some sliced peaches, so very easy, and we can't wait to see how it
I like easy.
tastes.
I
But
like
first, here's how you make it.
I cannot wait to taste.
Yeah, that came together really quick.
Yeah. You can taste the blueberry.
You know, that peach and blueberry combo is pretty good.
Yeah,
I like that a lot.
It is. It's unusual, but very good.
You definitely could taste the blueberry,
Yeah, it comes through.
but the peaches are nice.
That is a sweet treat for sure.
Don't give it to your kids right before bed.
Right, exactly. This is
They'll be up all night.
a great dessert for sure. You know, and I could actually see creating something like this, like on a camping trip, especially when you use like that crusties mix. It's easy to do in a
That's
camper.
a perfect idea.
Yeah, take it
That's
camping.
a great idea.
Boom. This is great. Nice job.
Everything tastes delicious outside,
Yeah.
right? When you're with your family.
It's part of, you know, that's the experience of anything. It's environment. Everything will taste better
Exactly.
with good friends like us today. Everything will taste much better.
Love it. Well, we want to thank Marylou
Marylou,
for
thank you.
Nice job, Marylou.
Easy
Yeah.
Peach Cobbler.
Yeah.
To get Marylou's recipe for Easy Peach Cobbler, visit wagrown.com.